We've all seen it. The person trying to sprint to their gate in insane high heels with a look of pure regret on their face. The traveler who's literally shivering at the gate because they thought shorts were a good idea for a flight. You've seen the person battling a jumpsuit in the tiny airplane bathroom, or the guy setting off every alarm at security because his jacket has more metal than a car. You probably think your own comfy airport outfit is the perfect choice. It feels good right now, doesn't it? Wrong. What if I told you it's secretly a travel disaster waiting to happen? What if that exact outfit is not only making you miserable, but could get you a personal pat-down from the TSA? After taking hundreds of flights and seeing every fashion mistake you can imagine, I'm here to expose the travel outfits you should never, ever wear to an airport. And trust me, some of these might seem obvious, but mistake number 4 is so crazy that even the most experienced travelers get it wrong over and over again. So stick around, because this advice could be the difference between starting your vacation feeling like a winner or a total loser. Welcome back to Travelvette. Join us as we share the best travel tips. Let's go! Let's start from the ground up, with what is literally the biggest mistake people make: their shoes. Your shoe choice can single-handedly win or lose your entire airport experience. First up, let's talk about high heels, complicated boots, and strappy sandals. I get it. You want to land looking like $1,000,000, but let's be honest. Those 4-inch stilettos are your worst enemy here. A flight attendant told me it's one of the most ridiculous things she sees. Airports mean walking, a crazy amount of walking. An unexpected gate change can turn your casual stroll into a full-on sprint challenge. Do you really want to start your vacation with your feet literally destroyed? No. And then there's the security problem. Anything with complicated laces, a ton of buckles, or straps is a nightmare for you and for every single person in line behind you. You'll be that person hopping on one foot, desperately trying to unlace a boot. It's a guaranteed way to annoy everyone. And in a real emergency, heels and flimsy sandals are a massive safety hazard. Flight attendants will tell you that heels can literally puncture the emergency slide, which is why they'll make you take them off. So, what should you wear instead? Easy, comfortable, slip-on shoes. This is the ultimate hack. Think stylish sneakers, supportive loafers, or comfy flats. The key is a shoe you can slide off and on in seconds at security that gives you enough support for miles of walking and has a closed toe. And please, for the love of all things sanitary, always wear socks. Airport floors are disgusting, and you do not want to walk barefoot where thousands of other shoes have been. Next up is the outfit that makes you public enemy number 1 in the security line: anything covered in metal. And I'm not just talking about big jewelry here. The new TSA scanners are insanely sensitive, and honestly, they will find every single piece of metal you're wearing. So think about those jeans with the cute little metal studs. Beep. That jacket with heavy-duty zippers. Beep. And that big, chunky belt buckle. Beep. Every one of those things can set off the alarm. Even tiny metallic threads in a shirt can be enough to get you flagged for a secondary screening. Every beep means a delay, probably a pat-down, and just more hassle. And don't forget accessories. While simple jewelry is usually fine, a huge necklace, a stack of bracelets, or a ton of body piercings can trigger an alert. It's not just about the metal, sometimes it's about the density. If you're wearing some piece of jewelry that even looks like it could be a weapon, it's definitely getting a second look. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up, subscribe for more insane travel tips, and oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss new videos. So, what's the smart alternative? Honestly, just keep it simple. It's really not that hard. Try going for clothes with plastic zippers, or even better, no hardware at all. Think pull-on pants, joggers, and just simple shirts. If you really have to wear a belt, get one with a plastic buckle or, just pack it in your carry-on. And the same goes for your big statement jewelry. Just pack it. The goal is to be a ghost to the metal detector. The less you wear that can beep, the faster you'll get to your gate. This one seems like such a great idea. A jumpsuit or a romper is a whole outfit in one piece. It's trendy. It's effortless. That is, until you have to use the tiny airplane lavatory. Picture it. You're in a bathroom the size of a closet, there's turbulence, and you have to pretty much get naked just to go to the bathroom. The sleeves of your jumpsuit are now dangling dangerously close to the toilet, and the rest of it is bunched up around your ankles on a floor that has seen things. Trust me, the liquid on that floor is not just water, it's a complete logistical nightmare. While a jumpsuit won't get you in trouble with security, it's honestly one of the most impractical things you can choose for the flight itself. It's restrictive, complicated, and turns a simple bathroom break into an insane wrestling match. What's the better, more practical solution? Two-piece sets. It's so simple. You get the exact same coordinated look of a jumpsuit with, 1,000 times more practicality. A matching set of comfy joggers and a sweatshirt, or wide-leg pants and a matching top, gives you that polished vibe without the bathroom gymnastics. They're just as comfortable, just as stylish, and so much more convenient. You get the look without the agony. Okay, this is the mistake I see literally everyone making, even people who travel all the time. You think you're choosing comfort, but you're actually choosing misery. I'm talking about tight, restrictive clothing. This includes your favorite pair of stiff, high-waisted skinny jeans. Sure, they look good, but denim is a heavy fabric that doesn't breathe. When you're sitting for hours in a pressurized cabin, your body naturally swells up. That waistband that felt fine when you checked in will feel like it's trying to cut you in half 3 hours into the flight. Restrictive clothing can also mess with your circulation, which on long flights can increase the risk of DVT, a super serious condition with blood clots in your legs. It is not worth the risk. This also includes restrictive shapewear. Again, it might look smooth, but it's literally crushing your body right when it needs to breathe and circulate blood. It is just not worth the guaranteed discomfort. Anything that feels a little tight on the ground is going to feel 10 times worse at 35,000 feet. So what does the right kind of comfy look like? The magic words are breathable and stretchy. Think fabrics like cotton, modal, bamboo, or athletic fabrics. Your best bet is an outfit with an elastic or drawstring waist. We're talking stylish joggers, soft knit pants, good quality leggings with a longer top, or flowy wide leg pants. You want something that feels like pajamas but looks put together. You need fabrics that move with you, not against you. Now, I've just exposed the biggest fashion crimes I see at the airport, but I know you all have some insane stories. So I am challenging you. What is the absolute worst, most impractical, or just plain weirdest travel outfit you have ever seen at an airport? Seriously, drop your story in the comments below. I want to hear them all, and hey, your comment might just save another traveler from making a massive mistake. You see it all over Instagram, the crisp all-white travel outfit. It looks so clean, so luxurious, so chic. But honestly, it is also 100% the most foolish thing you could possibly wear for a travel day. Airports and airplanes are basically obstacle courses designed to stain your clothes. I mean, a little bit of turbulence is all it takes for your coffee to become a modern art piece all over your white pants. A splash from someone else's soda, a greasy mark from the luggage belt, your perfect outfit is a magnet for disaster. You'll spend the entire day stressed out, terrified of every little spill. You're basically wearing your anxiety. Darker colors are your best friend when you travel. They are forgiving. They hide everything. They let you actually relax instead of worrying that a single drop of anything is going to ruin your whole look. What's the smarter play? Embrace darker or patterned fabrics. It's so easy. Black, navy, charcoal gray, and olive green are all incredibly chic and way more practical. A coordinated dark-colored athleisure set looks just as polished as a light one, but with zero stress. If you like patterns, a subtle print is fantastic for camouflaging any travel mishaps. Save that all-white outfit for when you've safely arrived. Layering is honestly one of the smartest things you can do when you travel. The temperature inside an airplane can swing from freezing to hot with, no warning at all. Being able to add or remove a layer is totally the key to winning the comfort game. But 99% of people do it wrong. The mistake is wearing really bulky items or super baggy clothes. A giant puffy coat or an oversized cardigan is just a huge hassle. At security, you have to take off any bulky outerwear anyway. On top of that, TSA agents can see extremely baggy clothing as a place someone might hide something, which could lead to a pat-down you weren't counting on. You're basically asking for it. So, what's the strategic way to layer, you might be wondering? Well, think thin, effective layers. Honestly, this is the 200 IQ play. Start with a comfortable base, like a t-shirt. Then, add a zip-up hoodie, a lightweight cardigan, or maybe even a thin, packable jacket. Oh, and a zip-up is always better than a pullover because it's so much easier to take off in a tiny airplane seat. And, the ultimate travel item is a large, lightweight scarf or pashmina. It can be a scarf, a shawl, a blanket, or even a pillow if you need it. It's just incredibly versatile and honestly takes up almost no room at all. And finally, let's talk about two small details that can have a huge impact. First, strong perfume or cologne. When you're stuck in a confined metal tube for hours, a scent that seems nice to you can be completely overwhelming and literally make other passengers feel sick. So many people have allergies to strong smells. Be considerate and just skip the fragrance for your travel day. Second, clothing with offensive or controversial graphics. You have the right to express yourself, but airlines also have the right to deny boarding to passengers whose clothing is considered offensive. A t-shirt with swear words or aggressive slogans could get you pulled aside for a conversation you really do not want to have. In rare cases, it could even keep you from getting on your flight. The airport just isn't the place to make a polarizing statement. So, stick to neutral clothes to guarantee your trip goes smoothly. Your airport outfit is, honestly, the very first challenge you face on a travel day, and it really does set the tone for your whole trip. This isn't just about fashion, it's about strategy. The goal is to find that perfect sweet spot between style, comfort, and practicality. By avoiding impractical shoes, clothes covered in metal, crazy jumpsuits, restrictive fabrics, and all-white outfits, you're not just dressing smarter, you're traveling smarter. You're setting yourself up for a trip that's less stressful and more comfortable. You'll breeze through security, actually relax on the plane, and arrive at your destination feeling fresh and ready to win your vacation. So next time you pack, remember these tips. Your future, less stressed out self will totally thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that thumbs up, subscribe for more insane travel tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe travel.